What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all probably thinking y'all looking at a ghost right now. No, man, it's me, the one and only. You can't clone me. It's your boy Fred. Yeah, I ain't no ghost. I'm alive and well. Wife is good. The kids are good. Everything copacetic. I know, I'm sorry, I apologize for being gone for so long, but hey, man, life don't consist of me holding this camera all day. That just ain't me. Ain't nothing really changed, you know. Still doing my thing, working, paying bills, trying to give my kids the best life I can possibly afford. I need to hit the lottery, bro. I'm so tired of working, bro. I'm tired right now, even holding this camera, you feel me? But I did sell the coupe. The coupe is gone. I only have the RSX and my wife's car. This I'm gonna give to my son. He turns 14. If I'm gonna get him driving, you know what I mean? I'm gonna give it to him when he turns 15. But this is a daily right here. This is what we got. Shout out to my sister Cassie. She upgraded herself and got her the Demon. So she gave me her Hellcat, the 2016. So this is what we rocking with right now. So she got a little wide body, thinks she doing something. She, you know, she got a little red eye. You know, I don't care. You still can't outdrive me. You know what I mean? She should have gave me the red eye or the Demon, or whatever y'all call these cars. You know what I mean? I ain't touching no motor, none of that stuff. I'm just gonna lower it, put some wheels, maybe even keep these wheels, get some better tires. I'm definitely gonna lower it. It don't need no sound system, bruh. It got 2 factory 10s in the back, and that bit, talking about that bit wham, bruh. That bit wham. But give y'all a little walk around of it. You feel me? Hellcat, 53,000 miles, 6-speed transmission. Fred. You know, just call it transmission Fred. Yo, I'm getting old, dog. I'm getting old. 6-speed gearbox. Fight for the transmission thing now, but now I transmit nothing, dog. Club, Fred. Just slip up on that one, dog. You slip up bad on that one, dog. Yeah, man. I guess this is a 6.2 supercharger. Yeah. You know, got a little intake, got a little exhaust on the back. Blase, squaze. But today's video, they do steal these shits. They steal them a lot. And I reached out to the good homies there at JDI, Jordan Distribution Inc. They sent me a Ghostlock and a tracker. I'm not gonna do no video of installing these things because JDI make it real simple. They send you a video link and show you how to do it. So if you purchase one of these for your Hellcat, for your Scat Pack, for your RT, for your whatever model you have, they have it for you. If it's a red eye with the 2.7 supercharger, they have that. 2.4 Hellcat, they got all that. But this is gonna be a private install that I'm gonna do to put things in places that only I know where they at. But it's real simple. Anybody with a screwdriver can figure it out. You know, not hard. After I'm done installing some of this stuff, I'll show you guys the feature and how it works. I'm just not going to record the process of installing it. But I'll give y'all a little quick cold start because I ain't crank it up in about 2 days. Make you see how it sounds. this is it right here. The Hellcat. The fastest I've been with it so far, I've been like 140 something. Yeah, the 142. You got a little performance page. Like, the car is dope, bro. I like it. Like, you really ain't got to do much to it, bro. You got all your gauges, coolant temp, oil pressure, battery. You got air and fuel. You got boost pressure. I guess I mean intercooler. I don't know, but yeah, like from G-force. You got your engine. Like I kind of see why like everybody like these cars, bro. Like, they fast off the lot. There's a lot of shit you can do to them and customize them and all of that, and it's comfortable, bro. Like y'all know how big I am, bro. Like, you feel me? All right, look, bro. And the seat's up right now, so I'm putting the seat back. Shit, you probably can't see me. All right, look, bro. Bro, I got hella room, dog. Like AC. I ain't got to hit my elbow right here to get out, to push myself out. Like, I kind of see why everybody like them, bro. It's quick when it. Hey, bro, I'm keeping it buck, bro. 600 horsepower for me. Way more than enough, bro. I mean 700. 7 horsepower for me is way more than enough. And then I heard you can slap the little 16.2 pulley on there and thermostat and a tune and gain like 150 horsepower just by doing that. Getting some big tube headers and the exhaust, that's the next 100 horsepower. It's like, so they make power real easy, because that damn sure ain't putting, I'm not opening up no Dodge motor. But yeah, man, the clutch has been upgraded already. It has a fuck, bro. Me and Chris moved and Danny looked it up. It's something like $700 shifter in there, bro. I don't know what, some shifter, like Borton Racing, some shit like that. Like, it goes down in the gearbox with 2 forks and like some weird shit. My dumb ass was trying to take off a shift knob and that bitch don't come off. So then we looked it up and that bitch is like yeah. But yes, I'm just leave it. Like I said, I'm only gonna like lower it, do some headlights, do like some RBG shit, you know what I mean? I'm thinking about putting them little starlights in the room, in the moon, in the roof, like I got a Wraith or something, you feel me? Dreams and nightmares, no P. Diddy. But well, that's really it though, you feel me? I'm gonna get a front splitter. I do gotta put back the front lip. Put back the front lip, get a front splitter. I might wide body it. I've been looking at different kits. They got like Icon got a kit. Some company that start with a V got a kit. That OEM kit too expensive. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I might get that Icon kit, but I don't want to use like no 3M tape. Like, I want to bolt it on so it can't fly off, just in case I'm going fast or something like that. And then the wheels gonna cost a grip, because I'm gonna have to get like some like 20 by 11s or 20 by 12, something wide. I'm gonna stagger that bitch. I'm put some wide shit on the back. I might put a drag pack on that. Don't pay no attention to me, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I do know I'm gonna put this JDI stuff on. And hold on, but speaking of sister, here she go. Hey Cassie, say what's up for the YouTube, man.
Well, hello everyone.
Don't try to act like you said, man, get off my phone, bro. Get off my phone, bro.
Man, I was just returning your missed call, bro.
Yeah, whatever, bro. Let me hit you back after this video, though.
All right.
Yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah. but I am gonna do this JDI stuff. Like I said, it comes with the instructions inside the box. Everything you need. Gives you a nice little instruction or video on how to do everything. And you guys do it the way that makes you feel comfortable. And that's what I'm about to do. So I'll holler back at y'all when the install is done. All right, so the install is all done. I did the tracker and I did the fuel pump cutoff, ignition cutoff, all types of different cutoffs. I did the push button, Ghostlock. Everything I used today will be in the video description down below. I'll see if I can get you guys a discount code for all my Hellcat people out there, or they make stuff for Hondas too. They make stuff for Jeep and everything. Jeep, Hondas, all that good stuff. So let's fire this bitch up real quick, give y'all a little quick little demonstration. You mean me? And grab my keys. We got the red key right here, and then I'm using this one. I'm not gonna show y'all where I put my antenna thing, but as you can tell, you can't do shit. You feel me? So I put my camera down real quick. Bomb. Now we got power. And then you turn it off, and you see when I swipe my little thing again, it turns off. Got no power. Got power, and then it arms itself after 30 seconds of noticing that the ignition's not on. Me and Mario was driving this bitch last night. Man, boy, this bitch fun, dog. This shit is fun. I ain't gonna hold you. I mean, it's comfortable. And she got 210s in the back from the factory. That bit beat. It sound good. It's fast enough for me at least. Shit sticks, shit, dog. I mean, like, bruh, I'm a big dude, dog, and my feet is like all the way stretched out, bruh. Like, and I'm leaned back, bruh. You feel me? You know, I talk to you from the back window. I don't talk to you from right here. That bitch got AC, power steering. She got launch control. She got all top of little fees. Now I see why people like these shit so much, bruh. Oh God, bruh. People like these shits a lot, bruh. And I see why, bruh. I'm chilling, bruh. I put like the do on right now. Bump up the horsepower. Put that bitch like 600. That's be chilling, dog. Chilling, bruh. And the sound system beat, bro. Like, see if you can hear that bitch playing music right now. Oh shit, but that's why. Sliding like this in a cat, like, yeah. You feel me? That be it, bruh. Tell the truth, I might not even wide body it. I don't know what I'm finna do. I am gonna definitely lower that bitch though. I gotta put back on the front lip because it got ripped off. And I don't know if I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, bro. But that bit needs some tires. Just be chilling. Well, yeah, everybody, that's pretty much it for this video. Appreciate all y'all for tuning in today. I'll try and get y'all some more content, figure out what I'm gonna do with this car. Else from that, nice seeing everybody. Hope y'all doing well, and I'll catch up with y'all next time. If y'all want to copy all the same stuff I did, listen, it's real simple. Once you get the box, the instructions are in there. You do it, don't let nobody know where you do it at, and simple wiring, bro. Not hard, and you guys could keep your investment safe. Else from that, thank you JDI, thank you all my YouTube people out there. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.